What's up, everyone? Welcome to Tech Product. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best book stand for reading to help you find the perfect option for studying, cooking, or enjoying your favorite books more comfortably. Let's get started. Let's begin with number 5, the Acrylic book stand for reading. The Acrylic book stand for reading helps you enjoy books and study materials with much better comfort. Its ergonomic design includes an adjustable metal arm that lets you set the perfect height and angle, bringing everything up to eye level so you can maintain good posture and avoid neck, shoulder, and back strain during long reading or study sessions. This stand combines a crystal-clear acrylic panel with a heavy-duty metal base for excellent stability and a clean, modern look. The sturdy construction holds thick textbooks, heavy cookbooks, and tablets securely in place without any wobbling or tipping, giving you confidence even with heavier items. When you are done, the metal base folds down completely flat, making the entire stand slim and easy to pack. You can slip it into a backpack, store it in a drawer, or take it along to the library or office without taking up much space at all. 2 adjustable metal page clips with soft protective tips keep your pages open hands-free while protecting the paper from marks or damage. The stand works wonderfully for thick textbooks, sheet music, recipe books, iPads, and even laptops, making it a versatile helper for reading, cooking, studying, and working. The Acrylic book stand for reading brings together thoughtful adjustability, solid build quality, and convenient portability into one simple tool that makes daily reading and studying more comfortable and enjoyable. Up next at number 4 is the Humancozy book stand for reading. The Humancozy book stand for reading makes hands-free reading feel natural and organized. It features an integrated storage box that keeps your bookmarks, pens, and glasses right within easy reach so you can stay focused without constantly searching for small items or cluttering your desk. Reinforced metal arms provide stable support that holds books securely in place and prevents any slipping or sagging while you read or study for long periods. The sturdy design gives you confidence to use it with heavier materials without worry. This wooden book stand comes with a beautiful walnut finish that adds warmth to any space. It comfortably supports cookbooks, sheet music, notebooks, or even MacBooks, making it a versatile choice for different reading and working needs. Inside the storage area, a soft cork-molded lining cushions your items like bookmarks and glasses, protecting them from scratches or impact so everything stays safe and in good condition. The foldable design makes this stand space-saving and easy to store on small bookshelves, compact desks, or in tight reading areas. When you are finished, it collapses down neatly without taking up much room. Overall, the Humancozy book stand for reading delivers hands-free comfort that reduces strain on your hands during extended sessions. It is especially great for book lovers and book club members who want everything they need close by while enjoying their favorite pages. With its thoughtful storage, stable build, and stylish wooden construction, this stand turns everyday reading into a more relaxed and enjoyable experience. Now, let's move on to number 3, the Abiglifty book stand for reading. The Abiglifty book stand for reading brings impressive flexibility to your daily reading and working routine. Its innovative 360-degree rotating base lets you turn the stand smoothly in any direction with a simple twist. This makes it easy to share content with others, adjust angles quickly, or switch views during homework discussions, group reading sessions, project work, or even video calls. You can also adjust the height and angle of the board itself, which offers a swing range of about 180 degrees. This lets you position your book or material exactly at eye level for comfortable viewing. The thoughtful design helps reduce strain on your neck, shoulders, and lower back, especially during longer study or cooking sessions. When you finish using it, the stand folds down compactly to take up minimal space. You can tuck it neatly into a drawer or onto a bookshelf, making it a practical choice for small desks, limited shelves, or any area where storage is tight. Built from robust wood and aluminum, this book stand feels solid and stable without any wobbling. Secure page clips with elastic stretchable material hold your pages firmly in place, even with very thick books. The clips keep everything secure while allowing smooth page turning. The Abiglifty bookstand for reading combines smart rotating and adjustable features with premium durable materials into one versatile tool. It supports comfortable hands-free reading, studying, and sharing in a way that fits easily into busy homes and workspaces. Just one step away from the top, at number 2, is the Loxp bookstand for reading. The Loxp bookstand for reading delivers outstanding comfort and flexibility for any reading situation. It offers smooth 360-degree horizontal rotation combined with vertical tilt from 0 to 180 degrees, making it perfect for use on desks, beds, or sofas. The ergonomic arm design positions your materials at ideal eye level whether you are sitting or standing, helping to ease neck strain during extended sessions. A triple guard stability system keeps everything secure with deep 3-centimeter non-slip clamps and soft silicone pads. This setup firmly holds heavy textbooks up to 5 kilograms or about 11 pounds, as well as laptops with screens up to 15.6 inches. The weighted aluminum alloy base adds extra balance so the stand stays steady even when you turn pages quickly. Made with baby-safe materials, the stand features food-grade wood veneer and an aerospace-grade aluminum frame that resists stains and wipes clean in seconds. Smooth rounded edges protect little hands and prevent any snags or scratches, making it safe and practical for family use. This versatile 4-in-1 design transforms easily between a bookstand, writing board, tablet holder, and cookbook station. It includes elastic page clips and anti-slip grooves to keep pages in place, plus a detachable splash-proof panel that handles messy kitchen environments without worry. The Loxp bookstand for reading combines smart adjustability, rock-solid stability, and premium safe materials into one compact and reliable tool. It supports comfortable hands-free reading, studying, and working across many different settings while keeping your space organized and your focus sharp. And our best overall choice at number 1 is the Optixcell bookstand for reading. The Optixcell bookstand for reading makes extended reading and studying sessions far more comfortable. Its adjustable height and angle let you find the perfect viewing position to support good posture. Spring-loaded page clips hold books or tablets securely in place for true hands-free use, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue during long periods of focus. A built-in storage tray on the base keeps pens, sticky notes, earbuds, and other small essentials neatly organized and always within easy reach, helping maintain a tidy workspace without extra clutter. The integrated reading light offers touch-sensitive control with 3 different modes and responsive brightness adjustment. You can switch colors in just 3 seconds and enjoy 6500K lighting that works well in bedrooms, libraries, or offices. It runs on simple AAA batteries for convenient operation anywhere. This stand provides sturdy support for cookbooks, tablets, and most 13-inch laptops. It adapts easily to many situations, whether you place it on a kitchen counter for recipes, an office desk for work, a bedside table for evening reading, or use it as a music stand. You can start using the Optixcell bookstand for reading right away with no assembly needed. Its durable metal frame delivers long-lasting stability, while rounded edges and non-slip base pads add safety and prevent movement. The space-saving foldable design lets you store it neatly in drawers or on bookshelves when not in use. The Optixcell bookstand for reading combines practical adjustability, helpful storage, and built-in lighting into one versatile and reliable tool. It enhances everyday tasks like studying, cooking, and reading while making a thoughtful gift for family, friends, and book lovers alike. Before you go, check the price link in the description for the latest deals on all these bookstands. If you enjoyed this video and want more product recommendations, like and subscribe to Tech Product.